Hello friends, welcome to this short mini project. So here we are going to create a program in Python that is email slicer. Each email consists of two things. One is username and another is domain name, right? So say for example, your name @gmail.com. So here the domain name is gmail.com and username is your name, right? So here we are going to create that program. Now before doing it, try to think of it yourself, that how you can implement it. Well, 1, 2, 3, let's get started. So first we are going to create a function email slicer. Okay, again we are going to take say email. Next we are going to check that if @ is there in email, right? Then we can execute something like yeah, let's extract it only. So username comma domain equals email dot split, and here we are going to provide this @ symbol. So generally split, it will search for @ and then it divides two parts. One is before @ part and another is after @ part. So before @ part will be stored in username and after @ part or @ part will be stored in domain. All right, and what we will do, we will return username comma domain. That's it. Else we are going to print. Okay, let's handle it here only, right? We can even use try except block. Yeah, let's print here only. Let's print please enter a valid email address, or you can even return it. Okay, and I guess I will print here only. So let's print again using f string. Username will be username. Go to next line and let's write domain will be domain. Domain will be domain. Let's provide a space here, another space here, another space here. That's it. Let's hit save. And now next let's take the input. Email equals input. Enter the email. Enter the email. Let's go to the next line and then call the function email slicer, and here we are passing this email that we have. All right, so let's write here Python 15. Let's provide a tab. So let me write here Supriyo @gmail.com. All right, so username is Supriyo and domain is gmail.com. That's good. Okay. Enter the email. Let's write here, say shupriyo.gmail.com or gale.com. Yeah, okay. Please enter a valid email address. There you go. Now you can even do one more thing, You can even extract only the part which is before the .com. So what we can do here is, again, we can split. Again, we can split the domain. So let's write a domain underscore name equals domain dot split using what? Dot, right? Now the thing is, after doing it, we will be having two parts. One before dot, another after dot. What we need is before the dot part, right? Since it returns a list, so we want the 0th element. Okay. And what we can do, instead of domain, we can write here domain name. There you go. Now let's hit enter. Let's write here something, say shupriyo@gmail.com. Yeah, see, username Shupriyo and domain is this. Let's try something else. Say John Cena John Cena at wwe.com. Okay, so username is John Cena and domain is wwe. Okay, now you can pick your favorite wrestler and you can even check, and it goes on. You can pick Undertaker, Roman Reigns, Rock, Triple H. Okay, yeah. So I think that you have got the concept, right? And now you are more familiar with this split method, right? Okay, so that's it. See you in our next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.